in the mid-80s. For Friday night, mainly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. For Saturday, partly cloudy. Highs in the...
Oh God! What is that? What is it? SVR!
Weather bulletin. For the following
Camera
counties
focus.
in Pennsylvania, Fayette and Greene. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has
Oh.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene
Oh,
County in
come
southwestern
on.
Pennsylvania, southwestern
Finally.
Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Monongalia County in northern West Virginia until 9:30 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Cassville, or 12 miles northeast of Mannington, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Morgantown, Westover, Star City, Point Marion, Grahamville, Cassville, Brookhaven, Smithfield, Bobtown, Greensboro, Blacksville, Mount Morris. This includes the following highways: Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 14. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 79 in West Virginia between mile markers 148 and 160. Seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412.
That was pretty rare.
1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.